Hi, my name is Sunder Madakshira. I'm the India CEO of Rezolve. It was great being part of Chitkara Business School's Marketing Conclave today. I think this is a great forum to get some of the marketers, some of the marketing leaders to talk to students. I think the best part of the whole conclave was the fact that the students got to understand how marketing is and how is it happening as of today, not yesterday, not the day before, but how is it happening today, and got some view about how it's going to happen in the future. So it was an excellent experience being at the campus. The diligence with which every small thing has been planned, I think talks about the pedigree of Chitkara University itself and their ability to connect with the industry. So I wish Chitkara University and all the students and the leadership all the best in the future, and I wish them a lot more learning coming from the industry going forward. Thank you so much.